go.
Before anything else, may I request everyone to please stand up for our prayer. Requesting one representative to please lead the prayer. Okay, amen. Good morning, class. How are you today? Oh, I see you have enough energy for today's activity. May I request the secretary of the class to please list down the absent list for today's session. Okay, now before you take your seats, can you please arrange your chairs properly and pick up some pieces of garbage around you. Alright, before we proceed, can you please read our classroom rules, class? Okay, thank you, class. These classroom rules will be followed throughout the duration of our class. Is the classroom rules clear to you, class? Do you have any additional for our classroom rules? Okay, since none, let's proceed to our review. Last meeting, we tackled about a short story and its important parts. Now, who can tell me what is the main idea? Okay, Mr. Bernal. Very good. I see that all of you have mastered our last topic, and because of that, we will proceed to our new topic. But before we proceed to our proper discussion, let us first have an activity entitled Quick Think Double H Edition. So the instructions is form a double H question based on a given word. Just like for example, banana. What? Now your example should be, what is a banana? Or birthday, when is your birthday? So I'll be telling you a word, and all you have to do is create or construct a double H question based on the word that I have told you. Is it clear to you, class? Okay, now let's proceed to our activity. Okay, may I request Miss Jana to please stand up. Your word is butterfly. Okay, very good. So she uses the what question. Now, how about Mr. Raver? Okay, I see that Mr. Raver is really understood the WH question. So he uses the WH question why. Okay, I see that all of you have a background knowledge what is a WH question. And because of that, let's give ourselves a Janisha clap. Do you know what is a Janisha clap, class? Okay, repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Now, it's your turn, class. Okay. And we are done with our first activity, and we will proceed to our main activity. For our main activity, it is entitled the double H question toss. For this activity, we will form a circle. Okay, let's form a circle, everyone. Okay, very good. So I will toss a ball and ask a WH questions. Whoever catches the ball will answer my question and then ask a new WH question to whoever catches the ball that he or she tossed. Okay, so the goal of this is practice constructing and answering WH questions. Are you ready, class? Okay, now I will toss the ball. Okay, so Miss Crystal, catch the ball, okay? Miss Crystal, can you please stand up? Okay, my question is, what is your hobby? Okay, I see that Miss Crystal is very creative because her hobby is painting. Okay, now toss the ball. Okay, now Miss Crystal toss the ball and Miss Trixie catches it. Okay. Now Miss Crystal asked a WH question to Miss Trixie. Oh, I see. Very good, everyone. So I see that all of you enjoyed and had enough energy for our topic. Okay, what an energy, class. Okay, since we are done with an activity, I have prepared another activity. Okay, so this activity, the class will be divided into 5 groups. Okay, this row with the group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5. Okay, the instructions is read the paragraph. Create one WH question for each type. write the questions and answers on manila papers that I will be giving to you. Assign one presenter. Okay, here's the materials that you will be using. Everyone, may I request one representative to please get your materials here in front. Okay, thank you. Now I will be giving you 10 minutes to finish the activity, and your timer starts now. Okay, time's up. Okay, always be reminded to the rubrics that I attached in your materials class. I request the representative or the presenter of Group 1 to please get here in front and paste or present your work here in front. Okay, I see that all of the group did an amazing job, and because of that, please give yourselves a barangay clap. Okay, did you know how to do the barangay clap, class? Okay, now do the barangay clap. Okay, very good. Okay, I see that all of you really did an amazing job, and all of you really understand the activity. Okay, did you find that activity interesting, class? Did you enjoy it? Okay, so that's the most important part, where we enjoy the activity. Okay, and because of that, let's proceed to our proper discussion. Before that, may I present to you our classroom objectives. Okay, and please read our learning objectives, everyone. Okay. Now, who can tell me what is our topic for today? Okay, Mr. Dia. Okay, you have a point, you are really close, but that is not our topic for today. So, specifically, our topic talks about or all about the ask and answer question to clarify information heard. Okay, let's summarize our topic for today. Okay, to make it more engaging, I have prepared a flashcards that is related to our topic, and may I request one student to please get one random flashcard and discuss what you have learned or what is your background knowledge about this word. Okay, may I request Mr. Shane. Okay, Mr. Shane, can you please get one? Okay, you have picked the word. Okay, the word who. Now, can you tell me what is your knowledge about the double H word who? Okay, so she is correct. So, who is more about asking an information about a person, identity, and yes, identity of a person. Just like, for example, who is she? Who is the main character of the story? Now that is the example of the double H question, the who, that starts with who. Okay, the last one will be answered by Mr. Rowell. Okay, now he picked the word what. Now you, who, can you tell me what is your knowledge about the word what? Okay, it is also correct. So the word what is asking and more about information, just like, for example, what is the main idea of the story? What is the theme of the story? It's more about asking information, idea, or the opinion of the sender of the question. Okay, is the topic clear to you, class? Is the WH question clear to you? Okay, since all of you get the topic today, may I request everyone to do the good job, class? Okay, very good. Now let's proceed to another activity entitled WH word summary. Okay, all you have to do is create a chart in your notebook consisting of a WH question word, all the WH question word that we have learned today. What is asked for, example, question. So, instruction.
pair up with classmates as the WH question that you have constructed in your chart, and introduce your partner to the class. Okay, is it clear to you, class? Okay, we'll be giving you 5 minutes to finish the activity, and your timer starts now. Okay, time's up. May I request one pair to please present your activity here in class. Okay, I see all of you really did an amazing job in this activity, and because of that, let's give ourselves a round of applause. Okay, now since we are done with our activity, to really assess your knowledge about this topic, I have prepared another activity. I call it the WH question web. So the instructions is draw a web with W questions in the center. Create 6 branches: who, what, where, when, why, and how. Write what each asks for and one example question. So this activity will be written in a one whole sheet of yellow paper. Is the instructions clear, class? Okay, I will be giving you 10 minutes to finish this activity. Okay, time's up. Requesting everyone to please pass your papers here in front. Okay, very good, everyone. Okay. To assess your knowledge about the topic for today, I have prepared an evaluation for you to answer it on a 1/4 sheet of paper. So the questions are: what did I enjoy the most today? What did I learn about WH questions? One question I'm proud of asking today is, okay, this activity will be a 5 points each, and consisting of minimum of 5 sentences, maximum of 10 sentences. I will be giving you 5 minutes to finish this activity, and your timer starts now. Okay, time's up. Please pass your activity here in front. Okay, thank you, class. Okay, for your takeaways, interview a family member using at least 5 WH questions. Write the questions and answer it in full sentences. Be ready to share tomorrow. Okay, this will be written in one whole sheet manila paper. And please don't forget it, and because you will be sharing it in the class tomorrow. Okay, is the assignment clear to you, class? Okay, now since we are done with our topic, do you have any questions, clarification, violence reaction to the topic today? Okay, did you enjoy our class today? Okay, that's good. So because of that, thank you for your cooperation and understanding, and thank you for your effort for today's activity or today's lesson. Goodbye, everyone. Okay, see you next meeting.